Hey everyone, let's talk about something super important but not so fun: diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's characterized by high blood sugar levels, which can lead to serious health complications if not managed properly. But don't worry, we're here to show you how you can outsmart diabetes in a delicious way. It's a bit of a party pooper, right? Imagine having to constantly monitor your blood sugar levels, watch what you eat, and deal with the potential complications. It can be overwhelming and disheartening. But there's hope. But guess what? There's a way to outsmart it and still enjoy delicious food. The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle that has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of diabetes. We're about to dive into the world of vibrant veggies, luscious olive oil, and sun-kissed flavors. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It's also high in healthy fats, particularly from olive oil, and includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry. Get ready to say hello to the Mediterranean diet, your secret weapon against diabetes. This way of eating is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's been associated with a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer, in addition to diabetes. We all know someone who's been touched by diabetes. Whether it's a family member, a friend, or even ourselves, diabetes is a condition that affects many lives. It's important to understand how we can take control of our health and make positive changes. It's a condition that messes with your blood sugar levels. And trust me, it's not a good time. High blood sugar levels can cause a range of symptoms, including increased thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, and blurred vision. Over time, it can lead to more serious complications such as nerve damage, kidney disease, and cardiovascular problems. But here's the good news: we have the power to prevent it. By making smart choices about what we eat and how we live, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing diabetes. The Mediterranean diet is a great place to start. That's right, by making smart choices about what we eat, we can drastically reduce our risk of developing this pesky disease. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with nutrients. It's a way of eating that promotes overall health and well-being. Now, I'm not talking about boring, tasteless diets here. The Mediterranean diet is anything but boring. It's full of flavor, variety, and the goodness of fresh, wholesome ingredients. You'll never feel deprived or bored with this way of eating. I'm talking about a way of eating that's bursting with flavor, variety, and the goodness of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Think about the vibrant colors of fresh vegetables, the rich taste of olive oil, and the satisfying crunch of nuts and seeds. It's a feast for the senses. Think vibrant salads, juicy tomatoes, hearty whole grains, and lean proteins. Sounds pretty delicious, right? The Mediterranean diet is all about enjoying food and savoring every bite. It's a way of eating that celebrates the joy of food and the pleasure of sharing meals with loved ones. So, are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your health? The Mediterranean diet is not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. It's about taking the time to prepare meals, enjoying the process of cooking, and sharing food with others. Let's unlock the secrets of the Mediterranean diet and discover how it can help you live a longer, healthier, and tastier life. The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional eating patterns of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. It's a way of eating that has been passed down through generations and is deeply rooted in culture and tradition. One of the key principles of the Mediterranean diet is the emphasis on plant-based foods. Fruits and vegetables are the cornerstone of this diet, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect against chronic diseases and support overall health. Whole grains are another important component of the Mediterranean diet. Foods like whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes digestive health. Whole grains also provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are a staple in the Mediterranean diet. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Legumes are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and spreads. Nuts and seeds are also a key part of the Mediterranean diet. They provide healthy fats, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or used in cooking and baking. Olive oil is the primary source of fat in the Mediterranean diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to be heart-healthy. Olive oil is used in cooking, drizzling over salads, and as a dip for bread. It's a flavorful and healthy alternative to other types of fats. Fish and seafood are also important in the Mediterranean diet. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support heart health. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are particularly beneficial. Poultry and eggs are included in moderation in the Mediterranean diet. They provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Red meat is limited, and when consumed, it's usually in small portions and lean cuts. Dairy products such as yogurt and cheese are also part of the Mediterranean diet. They are consumed in moderation and are often enjoyed as part of a meal or snack. Greek yogurt in particular is a popular choice due to its high protein content and probiotic benefits. Herbs and spices are used generously in the Mediterranean diet to add flavor and aroma to dishes. They are a healthy way to enhance the taste of food without adding extra salt or sugar. Common herbs and spices include basil, oregano, rosemary, and garlic. The Mediterranean diet also encourages mindful eating and enjoying meals with others. It's about taking the time to savor food, appreciate the flavors, and connect with loved ones. This social aspect of eating is an important part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Physical activity is another key component of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Regular exercise such as walking, swimming, or cycling is encouraged. Physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, supports cardiovascular health, and improves overall well-being. The Mediterranean diet is not just about what you eat, but also how you live. It's a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and a positive mindset. It's about enjoying life and taking care of your body and mind. So, how can you start incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your life? Begin by making small changes. Add more fruits and vegetables to your meals, choose whole grains over refined grains, and use olive oil instead of butter or margarine. Try to include fish in your diet at least twice a week, and opt for lean proteins like poultry and legumes. Snack on nuts and seeds and enjoy dairy products in moderation. Use herbs and spices to add flavor to your dishes, and reduce your intake of salt and sugar. Remember to stay active and find physical activities that you enjoy. Whether it's walking, swimming, dancing, or practicing yoga, make movement a regular part of your routine. And most importantly, take the time to enjoy your meals and share them with others. The Mediterranean diet is a delicious and sustainable way to improve your health and reduce your risk of diabetes. It's a lifestyle that celebrates the joy of food, the importance of community, and the benefits of a balanced and active life. So, are you ready to outsmart diabetes the delicious way? Embrace the Mediterranean diet and discover a world of vibrant flavors, wholesome ingredients, and a healthier, happier you. Let's embark on this journey together and make every meal a celebration of good health and great taste. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Mediterranean diet. We hope you feel inspired to make positive changes and take control of your health. Remember, every small step counts, and together we can outsmart diabetes the delicious way. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy the delicious journey ahead. Okay, before we dive into the good stuff, let's get a grip on what diabetes actually is. In simple terms, it's like this. Our bodies need sugar, glucose, for energy. This sugar comes from the food we eat. Now our pancreas produces a hormone called insulin, which acts like a key, letting that sugar into our cells for energy. But sometimes this system goes a bit haywire. With type 1 diabetes, the body doesn't produce enough insulin. And with type 2, the body struggles to use insulin properly. The result? Too much sugar hanging out in the bloodstream, which can lead to a whole bunch of health problems down the line. We're talking about heart disease, vision problems, nerve damage, not fun stuff. But hey, don't despair. The good news is that type 2 diabetes, which is the most common type, can often be prevented or delayed. And that's where our hero of the day comes in, the mighty Mediterranean diet. Picture this, sun-drenched hillsides, sparkling blue waters, and tables laden with colorful aromatic food. That's the essence of the Mediterranean diet. It's not just a diet, it's a way of life. This way of eating is inspired by the traditional dietary patterns of people living in the Mediterranean region, like Greece, Italy, and Spain. And let me tell you, these people know how to enjoy their food. So, what's on the menu? Think plant-based foods galore, fresh fruits and veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These guys are your new best friends. But it's not all about veggies. The Mediterranean diet also includes healthy fats like olive oil, fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and moderate amounts of dairy products, poultry, and eggs. And let's not forget the occasional glass of red wine. Everything in moderation, right? Section 4, Your Plate, Your Powerhouse, How This Diet Tames Diabetes. Now, you might be wondering, how does this delicious diet actually help with diabetes? Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, the Mediterranean diet is naturally low in saturated and trans fats, which are the bad guys that can mess with your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease, something people with diabetes are more prone to. Secondly, it's packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. And lastly, all those colorful fruits, veggies, and healthy fats work their magic by improving your body's sensitivity to insulin. This means your cells can use insulin more effectively to unlock the energy from the food you eat, keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Section 5. Mediterranean Makeover. Easy steps for a delicious life. Ready to embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle? Fantastic! Here are a few simple tips to get you started. 1. Fill up on plants. Aim to make fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes the stars of your plate. Think colorful salads, hearty lentil soups, and veggie-packed pasta dishes. 2. Embrace healthy fats. Swap out butter for olive oil, snack on nuts and seeds, and enjoy fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines at least twice a week. 3. Limit red meat. If you do eat meat, choose lean cuts and enjoy them in moderation. Think small portions of grilled chicken or fish as your protein source. 4. Spice up your life. Herbs and spices not only add incredible flavor but also pack a powerful antioxidant punch. Experiment with oregano, basil, thyme, cumin, and turmeric to transform your dishes. Section 6. Triumphant Tales. Real people, real results. Don't just take my word for it. People around the world are experiencing the incredible benefits of the Mediterranean diet firsthand. Studies have shown that people who follow this way of eating have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. That's a pretty impressive resume, right? Take, for example, the people of Crete, a Greek island where the Mediterranean diet is a way of life. They have some of the lowest rates of chronic diseases and some of the longest lifespans in the world. Coincidence? I think not. Section 7. Your Mediterranean adventure awaits. So there you have it, the Mediterranean diet, a delicious and effective way to outsmart diabetes and live a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about embracing fresh, wholesome ingredients and cooking up meals that are bursting with flavor. Start by making small changes to your daily routine, like swapping out sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea, adding more veggies to your plate, and choosing olive oil over butter. Every little step counts. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Stay tuned for more delicious tips and tricks to transform your health and well-being.